Try Sean's Vault free for 14 days.
My friends, Coach Vigue, thanks for joining me today for another non-stop power yoga flow. Today I'm calling this Warrior Fire. A breath for each pose. It keeps moving and moving and moving. Modify as needed. Put the cap on and check in below now or after you're finished. If you want more, simply keep repeating this video a number of times. We're going to raise the heart rate. What did I write down here? It's compressed athletic conditioning. Compressed athletic conditioning. Oh man, we're going to build the fire. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Couple shoulder rolls. I'm getting a massage after this, so let's let it all hang out. Diving down, forward fold. Walk it out to downward facing dog. Fingers spread wide. Watch the video first. Let's get some movement going. Inhale, left leg up, left foot forward, lunge. Keep your focus sharp, hinging forward. Vinyasa flow. Hands down, step the left leg back or both the feet back. Either way, lift the leg or don't lift the leg. Upward facing dog, downward facing dog. How's that so far? Inhale, right foot forward. Share this with someone who loves a challenge. Press that left heel down. Hinge, down, vinyasa flow. Elbows into the sides. Downward facing dog. Okay, adding the extended warrior. Left leg up, left foot forward. Here's the lunge. Back foot turns down, we reach, fingers down and extend. Extended warrior, as promised. Hands down, vinyasa. Up dog, meet it down dog. Okay, how you feeling? Right foot forward, lunge. Hey, extended warrior. Good, strong legs, vinyasa flow. Let's rendezvous at down dog. Let's do that again. Building that warrior fire. Left foot forward, lunge. Warrior, extend. Vinyasa. Not a moment's rest. Every tissue, every molecule, every fiber working together. Lunge. Warrior. Vinyasa. Keep your breath. If you don't want to do the vinyasa, just step back to down dog each time. All right, we're adding a twist to the warrior. Left foot, lunge. I'm sweating. Extended warrior. Now revolve it. Right hand down, left arm reaches up. A twist, literally and metaphorically. Maybe. Vinyasa. Or step back to down dog. Okay, right foot forward. Lunge, extend, revolve, hello, and vinyasa. With breath, with precision, with flow. Downward facing dog. Take an extra breath. How you feeling? Whew. And don't tell me it's too fast. That's the whole point of this workout, is to speed it up, challenge ourselves. Left foot forward, lunge. Warrior, extended. Now, if you want more, wrap it. Left arm underneath, right arm around. Hold for an extra breath. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Extend. Weird sounds I'm making. Vinyasa. That's right. Squeeze the glutes. Down dog. Other side. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I lost my mind. Lunge. Extended. Hold or warrior wrap. Extra breath. Nice. Extend and flow. What was that? You want to do that again? Okay, I'll oblige. Left foot lunge. Reach, extended. Wrap. Lengthen the leg a little more, a little triangle wrap, little sneaky triangle wrap, flirting with it, down, extend. Good, flow. As time goes by so fast, keeps on ticking into the future. Down dog. All right, we got it. Right foot forward, lunge. Warrior, extend. Wrap, perhaps. Line up your heels. Lengthen that right leg. Whew. Extra breath. Okay, extend. And flow. Woo! Always controlled. If there's no control, there's no point in doing it. Down dog. Extra breath. Let's warm up that spine a little more. Walk the hands to the feet. Tuck the chin. What am I saying? 3 shoulder rolls rolling up. I can't take it. How we got for time? Okay, we got just a few more minutes. Tuck the chin, dive down. Forward fold. Woo! Down dog. We're adding a lunge to warrior 3. More of the warrior fire. Left foot lunge. Warrior 3. Lift the back leg, extend. This is always one that gets me. You can take the arms out too if you like. Back to lunge. See, it's that, going back. That's the challenge. Always disrupt. Hinge and flow. Athletic conditioning. We all have that athlete inside us. Right foot forward. Lunge. Warrior 3. Arms forward. I'm going to take my arms down, a little prayer position, so I can dive a little lower, and then step back. How you doing with that? It's always a challenge. Hinge and flow. Non-stop. Warrior fire. One more time each side. Left foot. Stay with me. Warrior 3. Arms forward or prayer position. Step back. Oh, there it is. Hinge. I can't wait for vinyasa flow. Let's do it. Yes. Oh, don't face plant. Down dog. One more time. Right foot. Lunge. Stabilize. Warrior 3. Bend that right knee a little. That's right. Step back. All right, flow. Hinge. Now flow. Get that very light movement. Down dog. One more option. Head to knee. This is the big finale. Then repeat this flow as much as you wish. Share it. Those people who love challenges. So lunge. Warrior 3. See what we got ourselves into here. Stay here or go to head to knee pose. Need a little more time. Lace the fingers. Extend. Good. Now back to warrior 3. Oh, there we go. And then lunge. Reach. Very nice. We'll just do that one more time on the other side. I want to keep this right around 10 minutes. Down dog. Okay. Finish up. Other side. Right foot. Lunge. Okay. Got a little excited. Warrior 3. Now, head to knee. Easy as pie. Think weightless. Think light. Beautiful. Warrior 3. Big finisher. You're focused. Train as an athlete. Beautiful. Ausgezeichnete that lunge. One more flow. Hinge. Let's do it together, my friends. Up dog. Downward facing dog. You can end it here, rise up, or just keep on going. Repeat the workout. Couple shoulder rolls. Check in below right now. Whew. Like this video, subscribe to never miss a workout, share it on, and I want you, my friend, to take your training, your total body conditioning to the next level so we can train together every single day with new workouts multiple times a week. And that means you must join Sean's Vault for 14 days free. To check it out, here's more info.
On my best-selling book, Power Yoga for Athletes, over 100 yoga poses for all ages and fitness levels, as well as 25 complete yoga flows and training logs for all the major sports. Get your copy today, or perhaps you do better with 4 copies.